Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to set up or install a printer in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, a best match should appear. Please click on Open to continue. So in a few moments, you will be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. You just have to wait until everything are set here before you proceed. So here at the search bar, you need to search for the printer driver that you would like to set up or install in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In my case, I'll be using Canon printer driver, which is Canon LPP space 3300 driver. Okay, in your case, you can type any printer driver that you would like to set here. So just have to click on the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Okay, so please proceed to the result, which is this one. So all you need to do is you need to click on this. And in a few moments, you will be redirected to this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to click on this download. So eventually it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until it will be successfully downloaded. So just have to navigate to the download icon, place at the upper right side of the screen and wait until this process would be finished. Once you're done, okay, once it says here done, just have to click on this folder icon to show it in folder, and eventually you would be directed to this kind of location. So from here, all you need to do is you need to click on this cut icon, close the window, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. So the moment we have successfully pasted our printer here, we just have to make a right click and proceed to this option, wait until this would be available. Okay, and once it is being set here, go with extract to. So we just have to wait until it will be successfully extracted. And once a new folder is being created, meaning we have extracted it. So let's proceed to the settings by typing here at the button search bar for settings. So you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So please click on open under the best matched so that you would be redirected to the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left side of that and locate for the option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed to this option called devices. And here with the devices settings, you need to scroll down and locate for this option called more devices and printer settings. So please click on it. Okay, and eventually this kind of window would appear. Please proceed to the top of that. You can see there an option called add a printer. So all you need to do is you need to select on it and go with the printer that I want is enlisted and select on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Select the USB port. So it could be USB 001, 002, or 003. So once you're set it, go with next and go with have disk. So since our extracted file is being located at the desktop, then navigate to the desktop. And from here, you need to scroll down on the list and proceed to this one. So just have to double tap, select your driver, and it will show you the driver here. Click on open, click on OK, and it will show the printer that I have installed earlier, which is the LPP3300. So go with next, click on next once again, and start on the installations. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the process. So we just have to wait for a few minutes before this process would be done. And once it is being done, please allow for printer sharing, go with next, and go with finished. Okay, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed or set up a printer here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.